Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Let me share some real talk about our Prime Shine polishing program. Now, this isn't just another product, Prime Shine. It has been around, proving its reliability year after year. Now, it isn't new, but it's gold. It doesn't just promise, it does deliver. A better finish, ease of application, cost effectiveness. Now, other systems might talk the talk, but Prime Shine, it definitely walks the walk with a finish that's not only superior, but also easier to achieve. Now, with a lower cost per square foot and faster floor delivery, it's a no-brainer. Plus, it's a wet polishing program, blending 4 diamond tools and 3 chemicals seamlessly. Now, it's not just about selling you a product. We're here to ensure you that use of Prime Shine effectively with real support whenever you need it. Now, you're stuck on the floor, you can give me a video call. Step by step, I'll guide you through until you can fly solo confidently. For more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I want to talk to you about one of our top sellers, the premium half bar cap cutters. Now this tool is made for very hard concrete. So if you're on a slab that your current tools, nothing's working and they're just rolling over and glazing, this is a tool that's made from a proprietary alloy with aluminum and other metal matrices that basically are so soft that allow the diamonds to be exposed and stay in the cavity for long because there's a really high concentration of diamond, and you just speed right through the floor. If you're on a hard trowel floor, you could be running with this tool on top of the surface and it'll open up. Your cost per square foot's around 2 pennies a square foot. It could be used on heavy machines, on lightweight machines, wet and or dry, but this tool should be in your toolbox for hard concrete floors. Happy Halloween, everybody. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I want to talk to you about one of our top sellers, the ChemTech Chem 1000 Polyaspartic. This is a 2-component product with 83% solid content. This isn't hype, this is proven durability. Now designed for, garage surfaces to commercial floors to industrial surfaces, even like floors like car washes. This product is diverse, it's tough. Now, it has a long pot life, fast cure times, it's superior adhesion. It does the hard work seamlessly. Now, this application is straightforward, one-to-one mix, apply and see the transformation. You're on old or new concrete, Chem 1000 bonds with finesse, ensuring longevity. For more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I want to talk to you about one of our top sellers for the last near 2 decades, the Full Bar 6 Grit Medium Bond Grinding Plate. Now this is 2 segments, 40 millimeter by 10 millimeter by 10 millimeter. That's the dimensions of the segment. And they're both in bidirectional format, so you can run the machine in forward and or reverse and maximize the usage of the tool due to the way it's placed with the surface area of the grinding plate. Now, this tool is good to be used wet and or dry. 6 grit's great for like if you're going to put down a large buildup product and you need to have something with tall peaks and deep valleys, very coarse profile to the surface. This tool is going to do it for you. This is a true 6 grit. It's not synthetic. So this is a high quality grade industrial diamond. And this will, if you want to expose large aggregate, this tool will do it for you. And its cost per square foot is around 3 cents a square foot for a true 6 grit at $25.81 each. That's worth it. For more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I want to talk to you about the RF magnetic series for the HD floor grinders. So this is basically you're not married to proprietary diamond tool system. So you can get away. So you retrofit your grinder and you're able to buy diamonds from anybody. So if you have a diamond tool manufacturer in your backyard who has made the best diamonds for, glue removal or has made the best diamonds for opening hard concrete, then you can support them and buy diamonds from them. And if you notice another diamond tool vendor that maybe is 20% lower than the norm, and you support that diamond tool vendor, and at the end of the year, you notice that you are saving 20%. That's a lot of money that can go towards, maybe new equipment, maybe towards more labor, more marketing. This is a way to advance and make your machine more efficient than it currently is by exploring other diamond tools outside the realm of that proprietary system that was designed for your grinder. For more information, message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives out of Minnesota, USA. Today I want to talk to you guys about the Tri-PCD concrete coating removal tool. This is a top seller for us for our coating removal tools. It's three quarter round PCDs, which is polycrystalline diamonds. And what's cool about a polycrystalline diamond, it doesn't overheat, so it won't smear the coating. So if you're doing like a thick glue buildup removal, if you're getting rid of a thick mastic, if you're getting rid of like a soft epoxy just didn't cure for the hell of it, this tool is going to rip it out and remove it fast. And you also have the wear bar, which is in the shape of a rhombus, and it has crushed PCD inside of it and also has a heavy concentration of a true 16 grit. So that's going to help you also get rid of any contamination to the surface, clean it up at the same time, remove any rogue scratches, gnarly scratches, and just give you a uniform scratch profile. It has a great wear rate. It can be used wet and or dry. Any coating that's soft, it's going to rip it out fast. It's a great tool to have in your toolbox. Its cost per square foot is around 3 to 5 cents. For more information, message me now.